Hello, students of class 5th. Getting bored? Okay, let us see some interesting part in the word and then you will not get bored. See, there is our lesson number 30 in our general knowledge book. Lesson number 30, conserve species. Some species of animals, including birds, have reduced in numbers so drastically that they are now called endangered species. Efforts are being made all over the world to conserve and protect these endangered species. Here are the pictures of some endangered species of animals. Write their names in the given blanks. You may use the help box. Now number 1 we will see. This is number 1. It is among the largest of all Asian big cats. It has a yellow-orange coat with stripes ranging from dark brown to black. It relies primarily on sight and sound rather than smell for hunting. It is found primarily in India and also in Bangladesh, China, Nepal, and Myanmar. A little more than 2,500 are left in the wild, and name of this species is Bengal tiger. Then we will see the next one. See this one, number 2. It is found mainly in eastern Himalayas. It has a bear-like body with thick fur. It has white markings on the side of the head and above its small eyes. It mainly stays in trees and is a herbivore. This is the herbivore animal, and name of this animal is red panda. Then we will see number 3 now. See this one is. It is found in Central and Eastern Asia. It has no horns and the canine teeth of the male project in the form of long tusks. The male deer is much hunted for musk that is used in perfumes and Chinese medicines. And name of this animal is, this species is musk deer. Name of this species is musk deer. We'll see next one. Everybody has seen musk deer. Now see next one. See this one, black-footed ferret. Black-footed ferret. It is found in North America. It is carnivorous mammal and presently there are about 370 left in the wild. How many now left? Only 370, and this is the carnivorous mammal. Then next one is, we will see, everybody has seen black footed ferret. This is whooping crane and it is mainly found in North America. Presently there are approximately 483 birds in the wild. Where did it does it find? It found in North America. Whooping crane. Next one is Find in North America. Next one is, see, this one is, it is mainly found in Africa. It is often seen with its head reaching into shrubs and small trees. And name of this animal is black rhinoceros. Name of this animal is black rhinoceros. Then next one is, this is spider monkey. Spider monkey, it is mainly found in southern Brazil and central Mexico. It moves swiftly by tremendous leaps, sprawling out like a spider and grasping tree limbs with its tail. So these 7 animals, we can say species, endangered species, we can say, because they are there and now they are protected and conserved as a endangered species. 7 we have been seen here. See, spider monkey. Again we will see Bengal tiger. It can be found in India, Bangladesh, China, Nepal and Myanmar. Bengal tiger found in India, Bangladesh, China, Nepal and Myanmar. Red panda. Red panda found mainly in eastern Himalayas and this is herbivore animal. Next is musk deer. Musk deer found in central and eastern Asia and it is very useful for musk, which is using in perfumes and Chinese medicines. Then next one we will see black footed ferret. Name of this species is black footed ferret. It is found in North America and this is carnivorous mammal. Okay, carnivorous mammal, black footed ferret. Remember, carnivorous mammal and found in North America. See, whooping crane. Whooping crane is found in also North America and approximately 483 birds in the wild now available. Then next one is see, black rhinoceros. Black rhinoceros and black rhinoceros found in Africa. It is often seen with its head reaching into shrubs and small trees. Black rhinoceros found in Africa. And this one, last one is spider monkey. Your favorite monkey. And this is a spider monkey. Your favorite spider also your favorite, and monkey also is your favorite, and this is a spider monkey. Both are in. It is mainly found in southern Brazil and central Mexico. It moves swiftly by tremendous leaps, crawling out like a spider and grasping tree limbs with its tail. So you will like this so much because moving as like spider, and this is monkey also. You like spider also and monkey also. So both things you can see in this monkey. Okay, like it now. Enjoy. Okay. Thank you. See you. Bye. Have a nice day. Be happy.